Good afternoon. Friends, parents, and family members, welcome to the School of Engineering and Applied Sciences 2014 graduation ceremony. Will you please rise and join me in welcoming Penn Engineering's master's graduates of the class of 2014. And now, will everyone please rise again to join me in welcoming the faculty of the School of Engineering and Applied Science to these ceremonies. Seated.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Eduardo Glant. I'm the Dean of the School of Engineering and Applied Science. First, I would like to give a warm welcome to our guests sitting in the back, to the spouses and partners of our graduates, to their parents, children, relatives, and friends. What a wonderful gift we are receiving today. What better gift than being here on such a beautiful day, seeing your spouse or your partner or your child get a master's degree. My colleagues and I are very, very happy to see you all here today, joining us in honoring our graduates. We take as much pride in their achievements as we know you do. And of course, above all, I welcome the graduates sitting in the front. It is my privilege as Dean to be the very first one to extend to you the collective congratulations of the faculty. As you all know, the university main commencement will take place at this stage on Monday morning. I hope you're planning to march. It appears that the weather will be cool, just a bit cooler than now, just perfect commencement weather. And the event will be as grand as ever. It's wonderful pageantry. I've been here for, believe it or not, 4 decades, and it never fails to move me. But the commencement will be a very large affair. The stadium will be packed. Many kinds of people getting all sorts of degrees. And this is why we hold this much more intimate event here today for you. Because today we celebrate the special nature of your degree. American higher education is a great success story for this country. For the many of you who came from overseas, you are lucky or wise to understand that. I myself came from overseas, from Argentina. I was lucky or wise to know it also. You were wise in coming to the US, but you're wise also in a different way. You knew you had to continue your studies beyond college. You had an engineering degree or a computer science degree, and you could have stopped there, as so many of your classmates did. In fact, the ample majority of them did. But you didn't. You had enough self-awareness. Self-awareness is a wonderful thing to have. You had enough self-awareness. You knew how little you knew. And you knew you needed another pass. Unless you're a genius, learning always requires multiple passes. If you have to mentor a young cousin or on high school math, you don't have to review it yourself. You carry high school math at your fingertips. And the reason is that you later did college math. And in doing this higher pass, you gained any possible insight one could have on trigonometry, say, or on the exponential function. And the same, believe me, is true at the higher level. You needed a master's level pass so that your college level material could be at your fingertips. And I hope it is. And you shouldn't stop here. It shouldn't stop here. You have already organized and stored an incredible amount of material in your brain. I'm a thermodynamicist. And the thermodynamicist in me would say you have lowered your entropy considerably. You are now in your life at a state of low entropy. Fight off entropy. Keep learning. Not only I want to congratulate you for all that wisdom that supposedly you had, I want to also recruit you today as our ambassadors, as our voices, to tell the world of the wonderful things happening here at Penn. We are recruiting amazing students like you, and we had actually this year a tsunami of applications. We are recruiting amazing faculty. We have great new programs. You were enrolled in them. And we are adding amazing buildings. You must have surely walked around our new Singh Center for Nanotechnology, which opened in October and has been ranked as one of the top 5 new buildings in America in 2013. We are having a sweet moment. Help us tell the world about it, please. On behalf of the faculty and staff, on behalf of us here on this stage and elsewhere, we want to wish you a great career. May you have a long and very prosperous life. May you remember Penn and I hope you'll remember us with fondness, because that's how we will remember you. So once again, congratulations to every one of you, and best of luck. I would like to ask my colleagues and the family to applaud the graduates once again. Congratulations to every one of you. All of us here are lucky. As I mentioned before, I'm a lucky person, as I mentioned before, but I'm further lucky because I get to introduce David Parekh. He's our commencement speaker for today. And you are equally lucky because we all will have the privilege of hearing him talk. David Parekh is a member of our tribe. He's a true engineer. He and us probably share more than one gene. He's a man who got his undergraduate degree in mechanical engineering from Virginia Tech, and then went on to get a master's in mechanical and electrical and a doctoral in mechanical from Stanford. Impeccable academic provenance, as they say. Early in his career, he led advanced programs in the aerospace industry, at Boeing Phantom Works, and at the McDonnell Douglas Research Laboratories. David Parekh was deputy director of the Georgia Tech Research Institute, and he was associate vice professor of research at Georgia Tech. But in 2007, he joined the United Technologies Research Center. He is currently there as vice president for research and director of the center. In his job, David is charged with nothing less than being visionary. Not a small charge. Providing global leadership for United Technologies, that although it's based, headquartered in East Hartford, Connecticut, has research facilities in many other places like California, Ireland, China. His overarching role is to spur innovation, identifying, promoting, fostering innovation. Identifying, promoting, fostering innovation, it's a very difficult task. It's not quite like the weather. You know the line, everybody talks about the weather, but nobody does anything about it. Well, everybody talks about innovation, but very few, much fewer than you think, really do something significant about it. David Parekh is one of them. He's here today, and we will benefit from his wisdom and his experience. I'd like to ask all of you to join me in welcoming a distinguished engineering leader to this podium. Please welcome Dr. David Parekh.
Earlier this month, my wife and I had the wonderful opportunity to see our two sons graduate from college, one in mechanical engineering and one in chemical engineering. Our daughter graduated a few years ago, and next year will be going to grad school. The excitement of those moments are still very palpable, mixed variety of emotions, a mix of the thrill of accomplishment, the relief of taking a last final, the anticipation of dreams that they would be pursuing next, and the panic of needing to pack and clean their apartments before the movers come. I hope you're done with that. Congratulations, graduates. You have achieved another major milestone in your journey as an engineer. You have great reason to take pride in that, and I know for sure that your family and friends do. Congratulations. Since I can't remember what the commencement speaker said in my master's graduation, I realize that probably none of you will remember anything I say 30 years from now. but perhaps you may remember a few of the vignettes I will share a month from now and may even find them useful. But if not, you can always watch this again on YouTube. Earlier in my career, I was passing time on an airplane by flipping through an airline magazine. An article caught my eye about a successful author whose book had become a successful movie. In the interview, the author was asked whether, when he was writing the book, he was thinking about a movie. His answer was simple but profound. If you write a book to be a great movie, it won't be a great book. This is great advice for each of you as you begin your engineering careers. Don't be preoccupied worrying about what your next job or promotion will be. Focus on doing a great job on what you're doing today. Make sure to establish a track record of delivering. Make sure to develop depth in your technical field, and don't yearn to move too early to be a manager. The best technology leaders and managers I know excel because they took the time to learn by experience, both successes and failures, what it takes to engineer a great product. A second vignette is about one of the best engineers I know, though he actually worked his whole life as a tailor. You see, he never had an opportunity to study engineering like us, though he would have been a great one if he'd had the chance. He had keen problem-solving skills and an ability to design with great precision and robustness. He had an uncanny ability to visualize three-dimensional spaces. He could always pack one more suitcase in the trunk, even when everyone else thought it was full. And he cared deeply about having an impact, placing a greater priority on the good he could do for his family and community above what material possessions he could accumulate. Though he did not have the opportunity to go to high school, let alone college, he worked to make sure that each of his 7 kids could attend college. That instilled such a value of education within the family that his grandkids and great-grandkids have also pursued college degrees. I can still remember the smile on his face as he borrowed my cap and gown at my own doctoral commencement. He was being an engineer vicariously. So what did I learn from him that was relevant to my own career? His work was always thorough and to the highest standards of excellence. He made sure his craftsmanship was superb, even in the places where no one else would ever see. He taught me to do things well and to do the right thing even when no one is looking. Whether you go to work in business, education, government, or the nonprofit sector, people will be depending on the quality and results of your work. Make sure to be rigorous. Make sure your work is much deeper than the pretty PowerPoint slides you can cut and paste together. And be data-driven and use your critical problem-solving skills to lead you to the correct answer, even if it is not the answer you wanted or expected. And always have the courage to say and do the right thing, even when others do not. The third vignette is about the company I work for, United Technologies. We are a company that makes things, a broad portfolio of innovative products for aerospace and building and industrial markets. Our engineers have designed amazing products that are changing the game in their markets. Sikorsky's X-2 helicopter flew twice as fast as any traditional helicopter can today, driven by technology that won the Collier Trophy. Pratt & Whitney's geared turbofan engine is over 15% more efficient than previous engines of the same class, and about 20 dB quieter too. Otis elevators move the equivalent of the world's population every 4 days. And their Gen 2 elevators use 75% less energy than previous ones through the use of regenerative braking. Carrier's energy-efficient Cooltech refrigeration system use the natural refrigerant CO2 and enable supermarkets to reduce their carbon footprint up to 50% compared to traditional HFC refrigeration systems. You see, like you, the engineers and scientists of United Technologies have been trained to make things. They have taken an integrated approach to problem solving and work effectively in multidisciplinary teams, just as has been emphasized here at Penn. They have used their intellect, drive, and curiosity to have an impact by making better things. All the improvements I cited a moment ago, and many more. But they are really making a difference by making things better. Making things better by considering the environmental impact of the products they design. Making things better by volunteering in the community to promote STEM, science, technology, engineering, mathematics, and also to provide resources for those in need. Making things better by working to solve some of the biggest challenges of our time. It's a wonderful time to be an engineer, and a scientist too. The tools that we have today for discovery and invention are unparalleled in human history. The speed of supercomputers are increasing about 1,000-fold every decade. Additive manufacturing holds the promise of being able to print complex three-dimensional parts from a variety of powders and inks from various materials, enabling breakthroughs from aerospace to dentistry. Advances in robotics and deep learning will lead to a vast array of advanced systems, from self-driving cars to autonomous helicopters, and analytics that could automatically decipher even the worst penmanship in any language. And revolutionary advances in the biomedical field will usher in a new era of personalized medicine and breakthroughs in recovery from traumatic injuries. And the timing couldn't be better because we have so many challenges in front of us. Challenges with regard to energy and climate. There's the low-hanging fruit of improving energy efficiency in buildings, which you may know account for over 40% of the world's total energy use, and the longer-term need to develop more sustainable energy sources. There's the need to find cures for vexing diseases, or even simply provide clean water for millions around the globe. Our hyper-connectedness allows us to stay in touch via text or video as we travel the globe. This connectedness makes possible an array of services, from telemedicine to remote monitoring and control of industrial equipment from thousands of miles away. But this connectedness also introduces the vulnerabilities of cyber physical security and profound questions about privacy. There's the rapid growth in urbanization with all its infrastructure challenges and the amazing opportunities yet to come in aerospace, illustrated by the simple realization that about 85% of the world's population has never been on an airplane. There's still plenty of runway for growth there too. It's not all about the web. So as you go and pursue what's next for you, take time to write some great books. Throughout your career, always put a premium on doing your work with excellence and on doing the right thing. It will not go unnoticed. And if along the way you use your smarts, passion, and curiosity to not only make better things, but also make things better, then when you reflect on your own career 30 years later, you will have a deep satisfaction that cannot be measured by plaques on a wall or dollars in a bank account. You would have made a difference. Go make things better. Thank you.
Thank you so much, David. So motivational. Actually, the next time you will be in an elevator, it's most probably it will be from United Technologies because Otis belongs. Don't remember that, David. And my name is Kostas Daniglidis. I'm Associate Dean for Graduate Education. Dean Eduardo Gland calls me the father of all master students. And what a proud father I am. This class, entering 2012 or 2013, has been the most selective class among all master's graduates we had. When you entered, you were in the top 10 or 15%, in some cases much more selective than in our PhD programs. After you entered, faculty has been raving about your top quality. Some of you have entered in the top companies. Some of you are going to top PhD programs, continuing graduate education. Every time that I meet employers of recent master's graduates, they ask me how we achieve this miracle. And from the first day they are at work, they are ready to go. They excel, they can lead, they can raise millions of money. This is because you are the most selected, you are working very hard, but also because of the faculty here. To all of you, my warmest congratulations. It's time to start announcing the degrees. In alphabetical order with each academic program, in the order in which they are printed in the program. It's our great pleasure to start the announcement with the graduates from the master's degree program in bioengineering. Dr. Jason Burdick, graduate chair, will present the diplomas to the graduates. Dr. David Meany, department chair, will join Dean Gland in receiving the graduates. We will now begin.
Guanyin B. Y. Alan Y. He. Dinesh Kanan Kabaliswaran. Chris Xianghian Kim. Sunwook Kwan. Sung-eun Nicole Kwan. Henry Ma. Mehrin F. Merchant. Kalpit Parekh. Dev Gitesh Patel. Catherine Pacharin Rajvivrat. Sahil Sanan. Jill Maureen Scheckler. Jessica Ann Shedleski. Nishal Shah. Varsha Shankla. Molly Ann Sussman. Hayam Y. Tawo. Logan Taylor Trapito. Peijiang Wang. Anning Yao. Kehan Zhang. Jingru Zhu. Guangying Bi. No. Alan Y. He. No. Are these folks here? What's happening? These are all still BE cards. I think that's it.
All right. This concludes the announcement of graduates in the Masters in Bioengineering. It's our great pleasure now to announce the graduate from the Master's Degree Program in Biotechnology. Dr. Scott Diamond, Faculty Director, will present the diplomas to the graduates. We will now begin.
Gary Chung. Alan J. Han. Joseph Anthony Chiaro III. Anchit Bhagat. Chongyang Du. Ashish A. Bandari. Dawn Kristen Harper. Anush Vaidyanathan Iyer. Kalika Kamat. Sanika Vinayak Kare. Shravya Kotaru. Christine Kwong. Vineet Vinay Kokari. Wanlin Lee. Yingzhou Lin. Shizhi Liu. Zhifeng Mai. Namrata Mahadev. Samuel Alexander May. Serge Nechi Paruk. Mira Patel. Palvi Riker. Michelle M.E. Riegman. Alicia Ann Rios. Shi. Jeffrey Xiao. Amy Xiu. Srijani Sridhar. Nabiyat Sige. Matthew S. Veroslav. Wen Wei. Bing Xiao. Igor Zelazovsky. Guo Rong.
This concludes the announcement of graduates in the Masters in Biotechnology. It is our pleasure to announce the graduates from the Master's degree in Chemical and Biomolecular Engineering. Dr. Ray Gorty, Graduate Chair, will present the diplomas to the graduates, and Dr. Scott Diamond, Department Chair, will join in receiving the graduates. We'll now begin.
Pratik M. Agarwal. Asim Kashyap. Sanjana Kaurashankar Nayak. Kyodong No. Abhishek Rava. Mengxue Shi. Chen Su. Zhe San. Yifan Wang. Yuhao Ye. Ke Ren Zhang. Jiayue Zhang. Jingyi Zuo.
This concludes the announcement of graduates in the Department of Chemical and Biomolecular Engineering. It's our pleasure to announce the master's graduates from the Department of Computer and Information Science. We have several master's programs. We will begin with graduates in Computer, Graphics and Game Technology, followed by Computer and Information Science, Computer and Information Technology, and finally, Embedded Systems. Dr. Steve Lane, Program Director, will present the diplomas to the graduates in Computer Graphics and Game Technology. And Dr. Sambath Khanna, Department Chair, will join Dean Glant in receiving the graduates.
Catherine L. Anderson. Sri Lakshmi Burgu. Rohit R. Chandran. It's not scanning, but it's not scanning. None of them. We're stuck. Vimanyu Jain. Yeah. Eric Sun Lee. Shijing Liu. Adam David Malley. Sohail Mehra. Vivek Reddy. Jenny Michelle Shapira. Ishan Singh. Sijie Tian. Hao Wu. Cheng Xie. Xiao Zhang.
The next time you see a Pixar movie or you play a video game, one of those names will be involved in this. I now invite Dr. Rajiv Allur, representing the Computer Science Graduate Chair, to present diplomas to the graduates in the Masters in Computer and Information Science.
Frederick Abiprabowo. Tanvir Ahmed. Kriti Basin. Marcus Brian Beisinger. William Joseph Boone. Tyler Brown. Aubrey Marnan Zaino Chase. Pengjia Chen. Fang Yuan Chen. Jia Chen. Xiaoyi Chen. Michael Lawrence Collis. Zhewen Fei. Boile Fu. Tanvir Singh Gill. Jing Guo. Chaoyi Huang. Sharu Jangid. Kristen James Kaminsky. Ankit Anil Khandelwal. Ritika Kandaparkar. Samarth Kishore. Daniel Michael Klein. Bo Lee. Menghan Lee. Sui Yao Ma. Sunil Kumar Nirmal. Eric Joseph O'Brien. Vanicia Priyatsika. Yuanjie Chu. Bhavesh Mukesh Raheja. Twisha Shah. Anshul Sharma. Xinchao Shen. Arvind Subramanian. Chenwei Tong. Nirmal Utwani. Xu Wang. Sean Jeremy Wellick. Benxiang Wu. Gong Xiang. Hao Wu. Chengyan Xu. Jingo Xu. Aishuan Yang. Chenyang Yu. Huinan Yu. Hao Zhang. Sikai Zhang. Xinyu Zhao.
I now invite Dr. Chris Murphy to present the diplomas to the graduates in the Master of Computer and Information Technology.
Emily Catherine Boggs. Yushu Chao. For our next graduate, we have a great tradition here at the engineering school. When the child of one of our faculty members graduates, we invite the parent on the faculty to present the diploma. So we invite Dr. Ken Foster, professor in bioengineering, to present to his daughter, Ann Foster, her diploma. Blaine N. Gilbreth. Yi Guo. Chuya Guo. Hao Hu. Justin T. Carestis. Man Lee. Yang Li. Shuo Li. Connor James Liddick. Abir A. Minhas. Rizwan Shawaib Naru. Eric Dixon Nida. Sasha Felicity Renninger. Ziwei Song. Dayanam Rohit Kumar Vaidya. Liu Yang Wang. Thomas Benjamin Kingdon Watkins. Jingyi Wu. Xiaolu Xu. Hao Min. Kun Peng. Chao Ma. Zhishan Wen. Siyu Song. Honglin Zhang. 思通周、资源旺、宣正、丰田、
I now invite Dr. Rajiv Allur, Program Director, to present diplomas to the graduates in Embedded Systems.
Venkataramanan Arun. Somyadeep Ghoshal. Darshan Lingaraj. Udit Divyesh Mehta. Utsaf Mehta. Sumukh Narendra. Sujit Kumar Patam. Yiran Chin. Rahul Ravindra Vasist. Karan Sani. Nirav Kamlesh Shah. Ashok Bharadwaj Vaidyanathan. Danchun Wang. Chenyang Zhu.
This concludes the announcement of all degrees in the Department of Computer and Information Science. It's our pleasure to announce the graduates from the Department of Electrical and Systems Engineering, which includes all degrees in Electrical Engineering, Systems Engineering, and Telecommunications and Networking programs. Dr. Saswati Sarkar, Graduate Chair, will present the diplomas to the graduates. And Dr. Dwight Jagger, representing the Department Chair, will join in receiving the graduates. We will now begin.
Smita Vayanak Balur. Bo Bao. Tarun Kumar Reddy Betty. Da Tao. Nan Chui. Sohail Eshki. Lichi Gao. Qiu Shi Guo. Peng Hao. Fei He. Huijing Huang. Shengbo Huang. Lianchen Li. Ying Liu. Di Liu. Xitan Qiang. Tian Qiu. Aditya Narayan. Badrinath Rayadurg. Yang Shi. Hanfei Sun. Jiajia Wang. Ying Wang. Ye Yang. Fei Tong Yin. 郭玉、윤 yuan、志开张、Now the graduates in systems engineering. Rido Bello. Francesco Caruso. Sandeep Karkala Chalam. Tianxiao Chen. Shengda Ding. Hui Fang. Jing Fang. Kavya Gona. Shengtao Huang. Emma Kent Kennedy. Shivali Ketan. Sneha Kumar. Fei Li. Sichao Li. Zhehua Li. Hannah Seyong Min. Kun Chen. Arjun Roy. Stacy Rush. Bohan Shi. Chao Yi Song. Yuxi Song. Xuan Sun. Jinfei Tan. Huan Wang. Tiangong Xu. Bo Wen Xuan. Name? What's his name? Xuan Xin. Ninkang Ying. Jianhong Xin. Zhuan Zhang. Yali Wang. Andrea Ivy Yoss. Zhihang Xie. And now graduates in telecommunications and networking. Mohammed Al-Tabaib. Shuotian Cheng. Sitian Cheng. Sahil Hirpara. Sudha Madhuri Kanuporu. Rachit Khanna. Mengli Li. Udit Mathur. Chinmay Mishra. Roshan Murthy. Abhijit Patel. Apurva Rati. Siddharth Sampat. Ayush K. Sharma. Vidya Sridharan. Tse Wang. Zhihang Xie. Zhihang Xie. Oh, we called him already. Qing Di Zhang. That meant congratulations. We'll leave it at that. Cao Zhao. Shengwei Zhao.
This concludes the announcement of graduates in the Department of Electrical and Systems Engineering. It's our pleasure to announce the graduates from the Executive Master's Degree Program in Technology Management. Dr. Dwight Jagger, Program Director, will present the diplomas to the graduates.
Tulio Albuquerque. Lance Arlaus. Ping Chen. Himabindu Gadipati. Paige Harker. Satish Kandi. Altaf Kazi. Samyan Kaur. Michael Klimkowski. Donald Morazzo. Gabriel Matejovic. Leonard Pimentel. Jonas Poblador. Basiru Samba. Andrea Sandor. John Smith. Andrew Snyder. Guillermo Vasquez.
This concludes the announcement of graduates in Executive Masters in Technology Management. It's our pleasure now to announce the graduates from the Master's Degree Program in Materials Science and Engineering. Dr. Peter Davis, Department Chair, will present the diplomas to the graduates.
Xuan Tao. Juan Chang. Chi-An Chen. Chi-Yi Chen. Shangqian Chen. Michael Raymond Crump. Bianca Chelsea Natasha Datta. Liang Dong. Xiangyi Dong. Danielle Rosa Fao. Jiayang Fei. Daniel L. Fischetti. Chen Gao. Ziang Gao. Debbie Greenstein. Nicholas J. Graybush. Tongran Guo. Yanqi Huang. Taro Inoue. Shiqie Ke. Meng Li. Xiangning Li. Tianjiao Lei. Hangfei Lin. Xiyu Liu. Devdat Maganti. Colleen M. Reynolds. Huayu Shi. Boxiang Song. Yiren Sun. Han Wang. Chenbo Wang. Zhuqing Wang. Li Xie. Stephanie Yang. Yang Yu. Yu Yuan. Dongfang Zhao. Xiaolu Zhao. Yongwei Zheng. Yanxi Zhu.
This concludes the announcement of graduates in the Masters in Materials Science and Engineering. It's our pleasure to announce the graduates from the Department of Mechanical Engineering and Applied Mechanics. This includes graduates in the Integrated Product Design program and the Mechanical Engineering and Applied Mechanics programs. We will start with the Integrated Product Design program. Dr. Mark Yim, the program director, will present the diplomas. Dr. Rob Karpik, department chair, will join in receiving the graduates.
The first are the Master of Integrated Product Design graduates. Yoshijiro T. Araki. Maura Cunningham. Bethany Edwards. Jiaqian Liu. Yilin Lu. Francis Melina Dimare. The next are the Master of Science and Engineering in Integrated Product Design.
You stay.
Timothy Walun Lee. Guansen Zheng.
I now invite Dr. Prashant Purohit, graduate chair, to present the diplomas to the Mechanical Engineering and Applied Mechanics graduates.
Mohammad Reza Bahadori. Chaitanya Bhargava. Kevin Andrew Borin. Daniel Chabola Razo. Yiklong Chan. Chen Ru Chuang. Tianyu Dong. Akshay Vijay Gopal. Michael Ian Goslin. Xu Gu. Chen Kai Huang. Shailen Salim Kashwani. Brian Robert Magger. Abhijat Vijay Mangrukal. Jesse Elia Morzel. Anne Fallon Moraz. Raghavendra Prasad Pal. Nicholas A. Paroda. Jessica Marie Pear. Chia-Xing P. Yuanhao Chiu. Karan Shah. Karan Sharma. Shyam Sundar Sivakumar. Hang Su. Yuxiang Su. Ali J. Sultan. Jing Tong. Bofei Wang. Di Wu. Dmitry Yashin. Zhehong Ye. Siyuan Zhang. Ray Zhang. Shiming Zhao. Yifan Zhao. Wenbin Zhao. Robert William Zito.
This concludes the announcement of graduates in the Department of Mechanical Engineering and Applied Mechanics. Sir. It's our pleasure to announce the graduates from the master's degree in nanotechnology. Dr. Charlie Johnson, director of the program, will present the diplomas to the graduates.
John Smith Cognetti. Gopinath Danda. Prashant Rangarajan Gopalan. Rajatesh Ravindra Gudibandi. Dia Lee. Duraivelan Palanisamy. Edwin Charles Pratt. Abhay Ranganathan. Amar Nikalmal Thakur. Yanfang Xia. Lin Zhao.
This concludes the announcement of graduates in nanotechnology. Last but not least, it's our pleasure to announce the best roboticists in the world, the graduates from the master's degree in robotics. Dr. C.J. Taylor, director of the program, will present the diplomas.
Richa Agrawal. Alexander Miranda Anand. Tyler Frederick Barkin. Colin James Boots. Samat Manoj Brahmbat. Yuan Kai Cui. Vibhavari Dasagi. Kendrick Barnett Davis. Kent Edwards de Villafranca. Danwei Du. Takashi Furuya. Andrew Paul Gagne. Chin He. David F. Isley. Spiridon Karachialos. Nicholas Hugh McGill. Freddie Monterosa Jr. Chao Chu. Ian Michael Rafter. Jiali Sheng. Chiang Wang. Mabel Mengzi Zhang. Tianyi Zhang. And Xiaojun Zhu.
This concludes the announcement of the graduate in robotics. This concludes the reading of all the names of the graduates in the master's degrees. Congratulations. I invite Dean Glant to the podium to deliver the closing remarks.
Well, congratulations again to everybody. An applause for all the graduates. It was a worthy effort. I hope it will stay with you, that it will take. I hope that your life will be imprinted and well-directed and better and richer for having done a master's in this school, for having done the studies that you just finished. This is supposed to be a feel-good moment, and I hope you feel as good as we all feel here. Okay? It's the culmination of many hours of effort. I'm sure it was frustrating at times. If it was not frustrating, you didn't get your money's worth. Okay? But it's also a maturing experience, and we send you off to the world more mature than when you arrived, more knowledgeable, and hopefully happier. May you have fantastic careers. What I'm begging you now is to please stay in touch with us. We crave knowing about you, knowing about your professional lives, your successes, your failures, but just let us know. We want to follow you. Don't walk into the sunset. We have some paternal and maternal instincts that need to be satisfied. So with that promise that I take from you, I wish you the best in your lives. I wish you luck. I congratulate the parents and families and spouses and partners and children once again. Okay? So good luck to everybody. And please, one last request, stay here until the stage platform has left the stage. Good luck. Take care. Thank you.